show. I'm excited to be with these great colleagues. The solid gold is one of those things that as soon as it's over, I'm immediately thinking about the convention in August. And then after that, my little mind goes back to solid gold. So, yeah, it's nice. And as Kate said, it's a great time not only to hear it, to see demos, and feel really confident in what we're doing. I have two programs. One of them, after class, train the trainers, teaching people to become a certified instructor. And I'd love to tell you I figured this out on my own, but I didn't. I had students say, I have an $80,000 student loan on a degree that I can't function. And so a lot of people are looking at hypnosis that way. And my main one during it is using hypnosis stories. Over the years, I have people, well, you're more Ericksonian, you're more Elman, and kind of this, that, and the other. And I always look at it opposed to a direct statement. For example, weight loss. Too often people, I'm looking for this moment that I finally reach 118 pounds, but I'm miserable in the process of getting there. So for that, and again, the stories are short, sweet, and to the point. While the person's in a hypnotic state, they say, I don't know if you've ever bowled. Many people have, some haven't. But bowling, the best score you can ever get is 300. That's it. There's not a 301. And I wonder sometimes, well, why don't people just take the ball, set it aside, and just write 300 on their score sheet? And the reason's obvious. It's not just reaching that special number. It's the enjoyment of striving for that. So those type of things, stories where people, yeah. And the other thing I know my friends are going to do, we made sure that we have the material written out. Too often I hear people, I like what you did there, but I can't remember the day after tomorrow. So I think we have something like a 20-page workbook that's going to every person. So
Excellent.
They have something to take home and reinforce on the items that they found beneficial. Didn't realize how old I was. I had somebody, you've been doing this for 4 decades. I said, oh my God, that sounds awful. 44 years isn't as bad. But no, I started full-time in August of 1980. I think I've hypnotized somewhere about 50,000 people, and I'll be just as excited doing the next person at Solid Gold as I was with the second person. First one doesn't count. I don't care what you said. You're scared to death. We're going to have spontaneous human combustion. And you're sitting there and the person come on, I really liked it. Yeah, all my clients tell me that, and they left and I had to take a half-hour break. So to be able, I want our participants, there's 3 things. Number 1, you came to learn. Number 2, you should have had a good time. And number 3, you should have good rapport with your instructors. And the group we have here is a slam dunk. People are definitely going to be able to connect with all of us.